Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by charging and prepping the Z-Vibe, plug it in and watch the LED until it reads fully charged. Once charged, attach the appropriate tip, choose comfort over intensity, and add a thin layer of water-based lubricant so motions glide. Make sure your hands are clean and set the device to low. You're starting gently on purpose. This prevents shock and builds tolerance. Once done, you'll be ready to move into controlled, purposeful application steps. You apply the Z-Vibe using short, deliberate strokes while keeping a relaxed grip so you don't tense up. Once you find the area, use 5 to 10-second pulses. That allows you to gauge sensations and avoid overstimulation. Make sure to increase speed gradually and pause between changes to check comfort and breathing. Move methodically from one spot to the next rather than sweeping across surfaces, because focused, gentle contact produces more consistent, safe results. You finish by turning the Z-Vibe off before removing it, then wash the tip with mild soap and warm water, drying completely to prevent bacteria. Once done, store it in a ventilated case and recharge as needed. If you experience pain or unusual sensitivity, stop immediately. Make sure to reduce intensity or switch to a softer tip and retry later. If problems persist, consult a professional. That single troubleshooting step, stop and scale back, solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.